Hello guys. To go live on TikTok, you need a minimum of 1000k followers. That is the minimum requirement if you ever want to go live on TikTok. But what if you don't have enough followers? What if you don't have up to 1k followers? Would you abandon your mission for going live on TikTok? Or you just tell your fans, hey fans, I'm sorry, I don't have enough followers, so I cannot go live with you. Hello guys, this is Adesomi Adedoton from GadgetRice.com. Here in this video today, I'm going to show you how to go live on your TikTok without 1000 followers. TikTok is growing at the speed of light these days, and a lot of people are making a lot of money from it, which TikTok tagged as coins. So if you have a huge follower on TikTok, you could be the next millionaire. But that is not what we're going to discuss in this video. In our next video, we're going to talk about how to withdraw your coins on TikTok. Stay tuned. So here today, we're going to walk you through the trick to go live on TikTok without 1k followers. So follow us and let's do this. However, before we proceed, please hit the like button if you like this video, and do subscribe to follow us so that when we share another video of this type or on Android and iOS tapes, you'll be able to get notified. So open your TikTok app, click on the me to take you to a profile, then click on the hamburger to the top right, click on privacy and settings. You want to go to support and click on report a problem. Wait on the page loads. Now, you see frequently asked questions, you see select a topic, and under select a topic, you have to click live. Tap viewing live and click on either sound and picture problem with on live or others. So we'll go with the first option, which is sound stroke picture problem on live. So it says to walk through these steps. TikTok suggested all you need to do to fix this, but we are not satisfied. So we need to click no because our problem has not been resolved. No. Fine. That's our feedback. Then you click on still have a problem next. Now, you're going to leave a feedback on TikTok side, like you sending them a message. So when they say this message, they will know that you need this problem to be solved. However, do not forget that you are communicating with him and not both this time around. So make your message communicable and go straight to the point. In my own case, this is what I do. Hi, I was live in the past. Or I could go live in the past. I could go live in the past with my fans. But the live button has been disabled. Kindly help to enable the live button, as my fans are craving to have a one-on-one chat with me. Thanks. This is just a template. If you have a special template that's more compelling or appealing than this, then you can just go ahead and use it. Then after that, click on report. Now you will not see the report has been sent, but the report has been sent. How do you know this? Then click on the back button and click on the paper button to the top right. There's it. Hi, I was live with my followers in the past, but the live button has been disabled, and my followers are craving to have a light chat with me. Please do enable my account live button. Thanks. So you have to wait for 48 hours. After 48 hours, the live button on your TikTok account will be enabled without 1000 followers. Yes, this is tested and trusted. We've tested this, and after 48 hours, our TikTok live button with that 1000 followers in our account was enabled. So come back after 48 hours and leave a comment as to whether this works for you or not. Thank you. Please do stay around and don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss nice tips like this. Click on done and you can then start